I feel like a fish out of water. A fish out of water. Does it mean a fish outside of water? No, it's not like this at all. So what does it mean? So this is a phrase that is a fish out of water. At the very beginning of this video, I told the phrase about I feel like a fish out of water. So if you give a look on the life of a fish outside of water, so how it would be? Of course, it will be not an comfortable life for the fish, and it will be a very miserable life for that fish. So here, that sentence, I feel like a fish out of water, is also means that the uncomfortable situation, I'm not feeling comfortable with this situation. So the main phrase that you need to use here, that is a fish out of water. A fish out of water. So it means that uncomfortable situation. It means an uncomfortable situation. That situation is not comfortable with you and you are feeling so much uncomfortable and miserable with this situation. So there you can use this phrase called a fish out of water. You need to just think about the life of a fish that is not comfortable, that is not that much comfortable outside of water. So if you give a look on this, so you will be able to use this phrase at your life very comfortably. That means a fish, for example, a fish is also not feel comfortable outside of water, and in the place, in an uncomfortable place, it will also not feel comfortable. So here, a fish out of water, that means an uncomfortable situation. So for example, this is a new environment for me. This is a new environment for me. I feel like a fish out of water. This is a new environment for me. I'm so much afraid and I feel a fish out of water. That means in this new environment, you are not that much situable. This environment is not that much situable and you are feeling that so much uncomfortable. Like you feel like a fish out of water. So if you need to describe about the uncomfortable situation, if you need to give the description of your uncomfortable situation, you can also use this phrase, this idiom called I feel like a fish out of water. I mean, the main phrase is a fish out of water. A fish out of water. You need to think about it. If you need to give the description of it, you can also write it in the comment section below. So I'll be able to read it very comfortably. When do you feel a fish out of water? I hope you will write it in the comment section. So that's all for today. See you in the next. Till then, bye-bye.